Hi friends, welcome to Shazi Educational TV. Today, we're going to learn alphabet letters with fun. Are you ready? Let's go! A is for apple, crunchy and sweet. B is for bunny, funny soft feet. C is for castle, tall by the sea. D is for dinosaur, stomping with me. E is for elephant, ears so wide. F is for flower, colors so bright. G is for guitar, strum strum strum. H is for hippo, boom boom bum. I is for igloo, made of snow. J is for jelly, wiggle wobble glow. K is for kangaroo, hop so high. L is for ladybug flying by. M is for monkey, swinging from the trees. N is for nest, tucked in the leaves. O is for owl, who hoots through the night. P is for penguin, in black and in white. Q is for queen, with a gown and a crown. R is for rocket, zooming past town. S is for sun, so big and so bright. T is for tiger, a stripy delight. U is for umbrella, to keep out the rain. V is for violin, a musical strain.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
W is for whale, in the ocean so deep.
U, V, W, X, Y,
X is
Z.
for X-ray,
Now
while you're
I
fast
know
asleep.
my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Y is for yo-yo, going up and then down.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Z is for zebra, with the best suit in town. Hi friends, welcome back to our colorful world. Today, we're going to learn amazing colors with fun cartoon letters. Are you ready? Let's go! First is red. Red, red, bright and bold, like apples shiny and marigold. Next is blue. Blue, blue, calm and bright, like the ocean and the sky so light. Here comes yellow. Yellow, yellow, warm and fun, like bananas and the shining sun. Now we see green. Green, green, full of cheer, like grassy fields and leaves so near. Time for orange. Orange, orange, bold and bright, like pumpkins glowing in the night. Here comes pink. Pink, pink, fluffy and sweet, like cotton candy you love to eat. Now we see purple. Purple, purple, royal hue, like magic grapes and lavender too. Look at brown. Brown, brown, chocolate treat, like sturdy trees and earth beneath.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
A for apple, A for ant.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now
B for ball, B for bat.
Next time won't
C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for duck. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for frog. G for goat, G for grapes.
Now I know my ABCs.
H for hat, H for hen. I for ice, I for igloo. J for jug, J for jam. K for kite, K for key. L for lion, L for lamp.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing?
M for monkey, M for mango. N for nest, N for nose. O for orange, O for owl. P for parrot, P for pen. Q for queen, Q for quilt. R for rabbit, R for rose. S for sun, S for star. T for tiger, T for tree.
Next time won't you sing with me?
U for umbrella, U for unicorn. V for van, V for violin. W for watch, W for whale. X for x-ray, X for xylophone.
Next time won't you sing with
Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job, friends! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.